In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a call link in WhatsApp. Whether you're organizing a group chat or scheduling a quick call with a friend, creating a call link can make connecting over the app easier and more seamless. This short guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to create your own call link in just a few minutes. Let's start by opening up the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app, you'll need to download it from your device's app store and log in with your phone number. Once you're in the app, you'll be on the main chat screen. Here, you'll notice various options: chats, status, and calls. For today's task, we will be focusing on the calls section. Next, you need to tap on the Calls tab, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen if you're using an iPhone, or at the top if you're on an Android device. This section is dedicated to all your call activities, providing an overview of both recent and missed calls. On opening this tab, you'll see a phone icon in the corner of the screen, which is typically used to make a new call. Click on this phone icon, and you'll see a couple of options. To create a call link, you need to choose the Create Call Link or similar option, depending on your device and app version. Selecting this option will prompt WhatsApp to generate a unique link that you can share with others. Now that the call link has been created, it's time to select the type of call you want to set up. WhatsApp usually offers two primary call types: voice and video. Choose the one that best suits your needs. If you're planning to have a face-to-face conversation, opt for the video call link. Otherwise, a voice call link would be perfect for audio-only conversations. With the call type selected, your link is now ready to be shared. Tap on the Copy Link option. This copies the link to your clipboard, allowing you to paste and send it to your contacts through WhatsApp or any other messaging app you prefer. To paste the link, simply hold down in a text field in any app until the paste option appears. Then tap it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a call link in WhatsApp. This feature is a great way to organize calls easily, without needing to schedule each one individually. Just share the link, and your friends or colleagues can join whenever they're ready. If you enjoy using this feature, consider exploring more WhatsApp functionalities to enhance your messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.